Hello everyone. I am your host Ayushi Kara Setia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add Razorpay customers in Pabbly email marketing automatically. So let's take an example that you are a stock market analyst and conducting paid webinars and collecting the payments using your Razorpay payment link. Now you want that whenever a customer makes a payment using your Razorpay payment link, automatically the customer should be added as a subscriber to your Pabbly email marketing account automatically. For this, we need to create a connection between Razorpay and Pabbly email marketing so that whenever the payment is made using Razorpay link, automatically the customer is added as a subscriber to your Pabbly email marketing account. So how we are going to create an integration between Razorpay and Pabbly email marketing, this we will be learning in the further steps of the video. First, let us check this in the real time that how this complete process works automatically. So this is my Razorpay payment page for the webinar on Indian stock market. And this is my Pabbly email marketing subscriber list where I have just 2 subscribers over here. So now I want that whenever a customer makes a payment on my Razorpay account over here, automatically the customer should be added as a new subscriber to my Pabbly email marketing contact list over here, subscriber list. So I'm just going to make a payment on the name of a customer. Let's give the full name as Adam Smith. Let's add the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. Let's add the mobile number and click on pay. Okay, I'm selecting the payment method over here, adding the details of the card. This is the test card details. Okay, I'm just making a test payment over here. The payment is getting processed. Okay, and here we can see that the payment is successful. So now let us check our Pabbly email marketing subscriber list. Let's refresh it. Let's move to the Razorpay customer list. And here we can find a new customer named Adam Smith along with his email address. So now here you might be wondering that I just made a payment through my Razorpay account over here and automatically the customer is added as a new subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing subscriber list. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and the integration process. So in order to create an integration between Razorpay and Pabbly email marketing, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Razorpay and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details whenever the payment is made, the customer details. And using the details of the customer, automatically the customer will be added as a new subscriber to your Pabbly email marketing account. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between Razorpay and Pabbly email marketing using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. You will get 100 tasks free by clicking on this sign up free button. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Add Razorpay Customers in Pabbly Email Marketing Automatically. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to add the Razorpay customers in Pabbly email marketing. So open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find Razorpay. In the trigger event, we have to select payment captured. Now here we can find a webhook URL and here we can see that some instructions are mentioned. So by following these instructions or steps, you can set up the webhook in your Razorpay account. So we are just going to simply copy this webhook URL from here. We will go back to the Razorpay dashboard. And here when we scroll down, at last we can find the settings option. Click on settings. Here we can find the webhooks option. Simply click on webhooks. Now here we have to add a new webhook. So click on this plus sign, add new webhook. Here we are going to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm just pasting the same over here. Now here we have to select the active events. So I am selecting the active event as payment captured. So whenever the payment will be captured, this particular trigger is going to run. Let's click on create webhook. Webhook is saved successfully. Okay, let's go to Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to make a payment on the name of a customer. So I'll just take you to my Razorpay dashboard. Here I have already created some payment pages. I'm just going to open them. Okay, I'll just scroll down and here I have already created a payment page named Webinar on Indian Stock Market. So I'm just going to copy the URL from here and I'll open it in a new tab. So we are just going to make a payment on the name of a customer for this particular webinar on stock market. Let's give the full name as Shikha Arya. Let's give the email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com. Let's add the mobile number. And let's click on pay 3,500 rupees. Here we have to select the payment method. So I'm selecting it as a card payment. Let's add the card number over here. I'm adding the CVV code and let's click on pay. Okay, the payment is getting processed over here. Okay, and here we can see that the payment is successful. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that the response is received. And here we can find all the details of the payment. Here we can find the event as payment captured. And when we scroll down, here we can find all the details of the customer, email address, contact number and the full name. So now we want that using these details of the customer, automatically a new subscriber should be added to Pabbly email marketing. So come to this action window. Here in the choose application, let us find Pabbly email marketing. In the action event, we have to select add subscribers. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the token. So let us read the instructions. Enter your bearer token. You can find the above detail by logging to your Pabbly email marketing account. After login, go to the integrations, developer API as shown in the below screenshot. So here the screenshot is available. I'll just close this particular window. Okay. And I'll just take you to my Pabbly email marketing account. So we can access the Pabbly email marketing account from here itself by clicking on these 9 dots. And here we can find the email marketing option. Simply click on this. So this is my Pabbly email marketing account. As I was already logged into my Pabbly Connect account, so I am directly redirected to Pabbly email marketing. Okay. Now here we have to come to the integrations option. And here we can find the developer API. Click on this. And here we can find the bearer token. So I'm just going to copy this token from here. If you want to regenerate, you can regenerate also by clicking on this button. I'm just going to copy this particular token from here. Okay. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Okay. And I'll just connect it once again. and we are going to paste the token over here. Okay, and let's click on save. Okay, and now the Pabbly email marketing account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Okay, now here we have to select the list name. So we have to create a list in our Pabbly email marketing account. So I'll just go to the dashboard. Okay, from here we'll be moving to the subscribers option. And here we can find that there is no list created other than this default list. So I'm just going to create a new list by clicking on this plus button, create new list. Okay, and I'm just going to name this particular list as Razorpay customers. Okay, and let's click on update. So here we can see that our list is ready. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and just going to refresh it for the new items. And let us select Razorpay customers list over here. Now here we have to give the email address and the name of the customer. So we have already got the customer details over here from our payment, the Razorpay payment. So we are going to map all these details now. So I'm just going to map the email address from Razorpay, and the email address was shikhaarya22@gmail.com, and here we have to map the name. So this is the full name. Okay, and let's click on save and send test request. Okay, here we can see the status as success, and here we can find a message. So let's check our subscriber list in Pabbly email marketing. Let's refresh it. Let's move to the Razorpay customers list. Okay, and here we can find the email address of the customer named Shikha Arya, and here we can find the name of the customer. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time, whether our integration is working in the real time or not. So I'll just go to the payment page of my Razorpay account once again. I'm just going to refresh this particular page, and we are going to make a payment on the name of some other customer now. Okay, let's give the full name as Kuldeep. Full name as Kuldeep Jain. Okay, I'm adding the email address as jaink11@gmail.com, and I'm adding the mobile number. Let's click on pay. Payment method as card. Okay, adding the card details. Skip saving the card. Okay, and the payment is getting processed right now. Okay, so the payment is successful. Now let us check our Pabbly email marketing account. We have to refresh it once again. We have to go to the Razorpay customers, and here we can find another email address, and here we can find the name of the customer as Kuldeep Jain. So in this way we can see that the new customer is subscribed to our Pabbly email marketing list also. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Razorpay and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details whenever the payment was made, the details of the customer. And using the details of the customer, automatically the same customer is added as a subscriber in your Pabbly email marketing account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Razorpay and Pabbly email marketing using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.